Kickstart your career in full-stack QA engineering with Transfotech Academy's on-site and online bootcamp, with hands-on support from our instruction team and the most effective curriculum in the industry. You learn 16 full technology stacks in only 16 weeks, followed by a month-long internship opportunity, resume building session, and 2 weeks-long interview prep sessions, and 360 job marketing service by our homegrown talent recruiters, all in one course. Dive into a fast-paced, innovative learning environment that fastens collaboration, not competition. Expect to start coding from day one on campus. You will start the program by building a solid foundation in software testing. Next, you will conquer the Java and Selenium and enter the world of full-stack QA engineering. You will learn frameworks such as Cucumber, Agile, etc., along with the high-end automation with Jenkins, continuous integration, and code deployment. Daily lectures, group activities, whiteboarding, labs, assessment, and project-based curriculum will give you the experience to become a self-sufficient full-stack QA engineer. Students are connected round the clock with classmates and the instructor using Slack and our learning platforms. Class videos are recorded and distributed in our LMS. You will find all the resources you need to help you learn you didn't think was possible in just a matter of weeks. Whether you are looking to join one of the Fortune 500 companies or want to get your foot in the door with startups, our proven career advisors work with you from the moment you enroll. After passing graduation, we will make sure you find a meaningful job that pays you at least $100K or more. Ready for the challenge? Apply now.